In our last video, we started talking about the top 10 cars that would be ideal for rental purposes. In this video, we will continue with our list. The Toyota Yaris Active, designed for the Thai market, is manufactured on a modular platform known for its ease of use, repair, and maintenance, as well as its technical reliability. Despite some shortcomings, such as subpar paint quality, excessive oil consumption, sluggish gear shifting, and lackluster interior finishes, the Yaris Active has many benefits that make it a worthwhile purchase. To meet the criteria of Thailand's Eco Car program, the Yaris Active is equipped with a low-displacement engine, Euro 5 emission compliance, and a range of safety features. This combination of practicality, style, and space makes it an ideal choice for families who prioritize comfort, safety, and affordability. With room for 5 passengers and a spacious trunk, the Yaris Active is ready to accommodate all your travel needs. With frequent rentals, this car can cover its own costs within 12-30 months. The Hyundai Elantra has established itself as a top option in the competitive compact car market. Offering affordability, dependability, and sleek design, it appeals to a wide range of consumers. With roots dating back to the 90s, the Elantra has undergone several revamps throughout the years. Its reputation precedes it with a reputation for a roomy interior, a smooth driving experience, fuel economy, and low maintenance costs. Safety is a priority, as demonstrated by its 5-star safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The Elantra also boasts a generous trunk, making it a suitable choice for road trips. If you rent out this car frequently, it can offset its expenses in as little as 15-24 months. The Toyota Vios is a highly sought-after subcompact sedan, ranking as the third most popular car among customers of GetRentacar.com. Its affordability and dependability make it a top choice for budget-conscious drivers. The Vios is equipped with a choice of a 1.3-liter or 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and comes with both manual and automatic transmission options. The car is loaded with convenient features such as air conditioning, power windows, power steering, and a CD player. The interior offers ample space, including legroom and headroom, making it a comfortable ride. The Vios also prioritizes safety with ABS, EBD, and dual front airbags. Its fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs make it a practical choice for drivers. Overall, the Toyota Vios is a fantastic car for those seeking an affordable and reliable sedan. This car has the potential to pay for itself in a short period of time, like 1-2 years. Coming in as a close runner-up is the Toyota Yaris, a subcompact car manufactured by Toyota Motor Corporation. Debuting in 1999, it is now in its 4th generation, which was introduced in 2020. The Yaris is recognized for its budget-friendly price and impressive fuel efficiency. Its modern and sleek exterior design, combined with its advanced safety features, makes it a well-rounded car. With the option of 2 engines, a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder and a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder, as well as manual or automatic transmissions and front-wheel or all-wheel drive, the Yaris provides versatility for drivers. Dependable and cost-effective, the Toyota Yaris is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a trustworthy and budget-friendly vehicle. Rent out a money-making machine. This car can pay for itself with frequent rentals in just 2 years. The Toyota Prius stands tall as the unchallenged leader in its class. It's a line of hybrid electric vehicles produced by Toyota and first hit the market in 1997, making history as the first mass-produced hybrid car. The name Prius is rooted in Latin and translates to before or forward, reflecting its pioneering role in the hybrid car market. Known for their exceptional fuel efficiency and minimal emissions, Prius models run on a blend of gasoline and electric energy, with the latter generated from a nickel metal hydride battery. The car can attain an EPA estimated fuel economy of up to 54 miles per gallon in the city and 50 miles per gallon on the highway, setting it apart from its competition. The Prius also boasts advanced safety systems such as lane departure warning, automatic high beams, and adaptive cruise control, making it a safe choice for drivers. Convenient features like push-button start, rear-view camera, and a digital instrument cluster further enhance the driving experience. With its fuel-saving capabilities, low carbon footprint, and modern features, it's no wonder why the Toyota Prius is such a popular choice among eco-conscious drivers. With active renting, it could be self-sufficient in 18-24 months.
When renting a vehicle through GetRentacar.com, it's crucial to follow these guidelines in order to receive a return on your investment in a timeframe of 1 to 2.5 years. Maintain low prices, deliver quality service, and promptly address any vehicle malfunctions.